Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tomica Table. And today I have with me a museum series Tomica. So let's get into the box before we take a look at the car. So as you can see, Tomica logo right there, M19, and the name of the car down here. Well, that's in Japanese, as well as this more Japanese which I cannot really read. So here's a picture of the car, and you can see down here Tomica Museum. And also you can see a background faint image of what's sort of a museum with two trees. On the top we can see M19. Turning around, as we can see there is a bit of a messed up barcode on there. Also we can see it was made in China and 2004. If you can see that little 04 behind the blacked out part. And yes, I did buy this quite a while ago. So, yeah, basically, yeah. And here's the car. It actually first came out in, well, it was one of the very first cars that Tomica made. And since it was really popular, they decided to re-release it through Museum Tomica. So as you can see here, number 15 and number 15 on the front. Well, even though it's M19, they chose the number 15 because that was on the original car. So you can see our chrome front here and a red bumper. And yes, this bumper does stick out underneath the car. So you can see our two green stripes continuing all the way down to the back through the windscreen. So as you can see, the classic 5-studded wheels and another 15 on this side. Yes, the doors do open. You can see there is no glass back there, so that's kind of cool. And on the base, you can see there is the old Tomica logo of the two children playing. As you can see there, number 15, because when it first came out, it was number 15. And scale 1 to 56. So we can see made in China, and it just says Sunny 1200 Racing Coupe. Well, I don't know why they didn't put Nissan in there, or maybe if you know, you can let me know, because it's pretty cool. And as you can see, another bumper at the back. So that's pretty much it for this video, and do like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.